Welcome back to another episode of How to Make Monk DevOps Agent work for you. Last time, your coding agent and Monk deployed an app. Today, I'm going to show you how Monk operates it. Shipping changes, scaling on demand, self-healing, and keeping cloud costs down. Let's start with a mental model. Deploying is an event. Operating an app is a loop that never stops. It's a constant. Watch, adjust, fix, repeat. Monk runs the loop and does the work. You stay above it and in control. You set the intent, review, and approve. Best part? No special commands to memorize, just plain language. Talk to your coding agent as always, then type /monk to point it at Monk. Say what you want or ask a question, and Monk figures out the steps. Let's see it in practice. My app from the last video is live. Let's operate it. Entirely by prompting. I asked my agent to make a change to the app. Instead of deploying it manually, I just say /monk ship this. Monk rebuilds, redeploys, tests the app, and tells me when it's live. Monk can also set up CI/CD for your entire app and its infrastructure, not just your code. All you need is a GitHub account and your app in a repo. Just type /monk setup CI/CD and it prepares a GitHub action covering everything. Add a GitHub token, have your agent check it in, and from now on, your app deploys automatically every time you push to the main branch. Say traffic's picking up. I prompt /monk scale up the API to handle 1,000 concurrent users. Monk adds capacity and asks for confirmation. Later, when things quiet down, /monk scale it back to save cost. Same idea in reverse. You describe the goal. Monk right sizes the infra. Now I want Monk to monitor my production and alert me when something needs my attention. All I have to do is say /monk setup monitoring. Monk asks where to send alerts. I give it a Slack webhook. Then it figures out what to watch, sets up the health checks, and takes over the monitoring 24/7. And when it pings me, it's not a raw metric spiking with no context. It's a plain language alert, what broke and the recommended fix. But that's not all. Monk also acts as your FinOps. Monk knows the prices of VMs, cloud, and SaaS services, so it can estimate the cost of your infra before you deploy, and even find a cheaper region or cloud provider to run it on. For instance, here I'm asking /monk, how much will this application cost to run? And it tells me around $73 a month with a detailed cost breakdown. I can ask it, /monk find a cheaper setup at today's price. And it doesn't only advise. If I want to change providers, it will do it for me. Oh, if at any point you hit a bug or have any issues, there are 2 easy ways to let us know. Right from your agent, just prompt /monk, I would like to report a bug, and describe what happened. Monk takes it from there. Or head to monk.io/dashboard and click the bug icon in the top left corner. Either way, we'll reach out by email and help you get unstuck. Okay, that's day 2 with the Monk DevOps agent. Shipping, scaling, logs, monitoring, self-healing, and FinOps, all driven by plain language prompts. You set the intent, your agent writes code, and Monk operates your app for you.